Embarking on a fitness journey can be both exciting and challenging, but many people unknowingly sabotage their progress. Today, we'll uncover the top 3 mistakes you might be making in your fitness journey and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Inconsistency. Many start their fitness journey with great enthusiasm, but struggle to stick to a routine. Life gets busy, and workouts become sporadic. To truly see results, consistency is key. It's not just about working out hard for a week. It's about making fitness a part of your daily life. Tip: set a realistic schedule. Aim for 3 to 5 workouts per week and treat them like important appointments. This way, you'll build a sustainable habit. Mistake number 2. Neglecting nutrition. Many people think they can outwork a poor diet. However, nutrition is just as vital as exercise when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. Fueling your body with the right nutrients can significantly enhance your performance and recovery. Tip: focus on whole foods, including lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. And remember to stay hydrated. Consider tracking your meals to stay accountable. Mistake number 3. Comparing yourself to others. In the age of social media, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel. Remember, everyone's fitness journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for you. Tip: focus on your own progress. Celebrate small victories and set personal goals instead of comparing yourself to others. Fitness is about being the best version of yourself, not competing with someone else. By avoiding these 3 common mistakes, being inconsistent, neglecting nutrition, and comparing yourself to others, you can set yourself up for success on your fitness journey. Remember, progress takes time. Stay committed, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your fitness journey in the comments below.